Paine Tower, Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot near the Edmonds Ferry Dock. Information Alpha, request stop and go.
Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot, Paine Tower. I'll do what I can for you for that stop and go, but we are a little busy right now. Join right downwind runway 16 right, pass behind a Cessna, just lifting off the runway now in the pattern.
It will join the right downwind 16 right. Thanks for your help, 46 Foxtrot.
Boeing 940 Heavy, just waiting on that release.
940 Heavy, roger.
Velocity 2 Alpha Lima, start slowing.
Alpha Lima.
Boeing 940 Heavy, runway 16 right, clear for takeoff. Traffic's on a 3-mile final. If you're not comfortable with it, let me know.
Clear for takeoff, 16 right, Boeing 940 Heavy, we can do it. 46 Foxtrot has the Cessna downwind up at the north end of the airport inside.
46 Foxtrot, appreciate that. It's the closest Cessna to you. Follow them, runway 16 right, clear to land number 4.
Okay, follow that Cessna, clear to land 16 right, 46 Foxtrot.
Boeing 940 Heavy, squawk 4710.
4710, Boeing 940 Heavy.
Go out there, 9er Papa Delta, turn to the west now.
9er Papa Delta.
Thanks for the help. Boeing 940 Heavy, if you're still with me, there's traffic 12 o'clock there westbound, no factor.
940 Heavy, still with you. And Tower 2, let me tell you, we can switch to 16 left if it's quieter.
Cessna 2, let me find out.
Okay,
and Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, Cessna you're following now is going to be for the parallel runway. They're still probably going to base in the same spot, but your traffic to follow is the one on 2-mile final now.
Okay, I see one on base. I'm looking for the final traffic, 46 Foxtrot. And 46 Foxtrot, I have a Cessna approaching the shoreline.
Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, the Cessna you're following actually just ahead and to your right on 1-mile final.
3 green.
Bonanza 46 Alpha, traffic follows just passing you off your right side. The traffic at your 12 o'clock is for the parallel.
Thank you, 46 Foxtrot, I've got both in sight now.
Okay, no problem. And aircraft holding at Alpha 6, Paine Tower, say again.
Paine Tower, Skyhawk 686 Sierra Papa, holding short at Alpha 6, 416 right, westbound departure.
Skyhawk 686 Sierra Papa, roger, landing traffic.
Traffic 6 Sierra Papa.
Be heading southeastbound after this, 46 Foxtrot.
Okay, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot on the go. We'll call that southeastbound turn.
Thank you, 46 Foxtrot. We're cleared now for a stop and go, and then we'll depart straight out until we get the turn from you.
Affirmative.
Okay. We're on final 3 green, mixtures rich. Prop is coming in. Speed check's a little high.